We have a 2023 F-150 and we are going to be installing some yellow fog lights on here. But before we get started, we need to make sure that the lens is perfectly clean from any dirt, debris, bug guts, and anything else, surface contaminants, because we want it to be exactly perfect. Because once we install the Lamin-x, it'll trap it in between the Lamin-x and the lens. So we're trying to make it as clean as possible. So I just kind of moisten it with some detailer. You could use some straight filtered water, be perfectly fine. But make sure you kind of inspect it very thoroughly, like every single square inch of this thing, to make sure everything has been completely removed. I'm just using the paper towel here to help kind of get everything broken off. However, once you're done, you'll need to use, say, a microfiber towel to make sure you get all the lint and fibers from the paper towel completely off. All right. And you may also want to kind of clean up the area around the light, in this case on the bumper and the grill area. All right, so now everything looks kind of clean. And now we're going to take our pre-cut fog light kit. Now bear in mind, when we design these pre-cut fog light kits, is that they are designed from a couple different bumper shapes, but in this case with this F-150, there's a lot of different bumpers, a lot of different designs. What happens is the bumper design may cover more of the light or expose more of the light than maybe the design that we have for it. So in this case, the light shape is still correct. However, the bumper seems to overlap the light a little bit more. The correct shape is still there. It just happens to be covered. So we designed this to be installed while the cover or the bumper is still on. So while we install this, we may end up having to kind of tuck it down in to get it aligned properly. Some of the film is going to be tucked down up underneath this bumper area, but that's perfectly fine. So in this case, we're going to basically install this dry. We have our pre-cut kit. We make sure this is the correct side. In this case, it is the driver's side. And we're going to remove the Lamin-x liner from the Lamin-x. Luckily, we give you kind of a handling tab to be able to do this, right? So you can pull the liner off and handle the Lamin-x using the handling tab to install it. All right, so in this case, we're going to use kind of an alignment from, say, the top of the light, that's kind of a defined 90-degree lip. So I'm just going to kind of line it up with that top part here. And kind of just lightly tack it down, because it's kind of running along the top of the light as a guide. And you can pull it back up, reapply it numerous times to get the alignment just right. The adhesive on the Lamin-x is extremely forgiving. So designed so you can actually pull back up and reinstall it again and again until you get it just right. So now I got it tacked down. In this case, you can use kind of a squeegee. This is a Lamin-x squeegee, but if you don't have a Lamin-x squeegee, you can use a credit card with a paper towel wrapped around it, which is perfectly fine. I'm just going to be kind of just doing a sweeping motion, getting to this little lip here, so I'll make sure the Lamin-x is installed on the lip without any air pockets. And if you miss, you got an air pocket or a bubble on it, you can pull it back up and reapply it again until you get it just right. And like I said, this bumper covers more of the light than we did for the original design, which is fine, because all we're going to end up doing is kind of tucking this Lamin-x up underneath, because the light is still larger. The light size and dimension is still there. It just happens to be hidden by the bumper itself. So we're just going to take the squeegee and essentially just kind of tuck it down in there. Okay, just a little handling tab sticking up here. In this case, I have a Lamin-x trim tool, which doesn't normally come with your fog light kit, but you can order one, or just use kind of a razor blade. And I'm just going to kind of trim off that handling tab here behind the bumper. All right, there you go. The yellow Lamin-x has now been installed on this 2023 F-150. And if you have any questions, just give us a call, hit us up on live chat, or email us at help@laminx.com. And if you'd like to find one for your vehicle, go to laminx.com, select your year, make, and model, and then your trim level, and then order some yellow fog lights for your vehicle. Have a great day.